Diddy Combs, an American rapper, is facing a fresh lawsuit alleging abuse and exploitation by a former contestant on his MTV show, Making the Band. Welcome to Celebrity Vibes Update. Please don't forget to subscribe to this video. It is free and help us bring you enjoyable content from your favorite celebrities, and of course watch till the end. On Tuesday, singer Don Richard filed a complaint in the Southern District of New York against Combs and those linked with him. The complaint claims that Combs mistreated women, was physically violent, and withheld Richard's salary. Erica Wolf, Combs' lawyer, claimed the rapper was shocked and disappointed by the lawsuit, calling Richard's claims manufactured and false. Richard was a member of Diddy Combs, an all-female group founded by Combs on the reality show Making the Band. The show centered on contestants competing for a seat in his new group. She later joined Combs' band, Diddy Dirty Money. The new lawsuit accuses Combs of mistreating women and alleges that Richard observed the artist hitting his ex-girlfriend, Cassandra Ventura. According to the lawsuit, Richard witnessed Combs physically attack his ex-girlfriend on many times, including choking and strangling her. The lawsuit alleges that Richard witnessed Combs beating Ventura on many occasions, often in public or in front of record label personnel who reportedly continued to do business with Combs. When Richard pushed Ventura to leave the relationship, Combs threatened her and verbally abused her, according to the complaint. Ventura filed a federal complaint against Combs in 2023, alleging him of physical and sexual assault. Combs paid Ventura an unknown sum of money, settling the case outside of court. Richard's lawsuit also claims Combs of exploiting her skill as a vocalist by withholding her salary, stealing her copyrighted compositions, and subjecting her to inhumane working conditions such as groping, assault, and false incarceration. The lawsuit claims Combs influenced Richard by persuading her that her compliance to these circumstances was necessary for career advancement and that female singers were required to be exploited in order to thrive in the music industry. According to the lawsuit, Richard felt scared and intimidated by Combs' hostile attitude toward her and her bandmates while filming the show Making the Band. She accuses Combs of depriving her and her bandmates basic requirements such as appropriate food and sleep, as well as demanding rehearsal schedules that lasted 36 to 48 hours without a break. The lawsuit recalls an after-party in November 2009 following the Soul Train Awards in Atlanta, where it claims there were illegal narcotics and hundreds of young ladies and girls, some of whom appeared to be underage, who appeared lethargic or passed out. According to the complaint, security and law enforcement agents were stationed at the doors during these occurrences, making Richard feel confined and unable to escape without alerting Combs. The lawsuit also accuses Combs of failing to pay Richard for appearances needed under a tour agreement. According to the complaint, Combs made multiple unwanted sexual advances toward Richard. According to the complaint, between 2009 and 2011, while preparing for Diddy Dirty Money, Combs forced Richard to strip down to her underwear and called her derogatory insults in front of others. In the complaint, Richard claims Combs groped her as she was changing in her dressing room. When she resisted his advances, he allegedly removed her from songs, denied her vocal parts, and turned off her microphone during concerts as revenge. The complaint is one of several recent sexual assault charges leveled against Combs, one of the most successful rap music moguls in history. Combs had disputed earlier charges against him, but he apologized after a video surfaced showing him beating Ventura. Richard recognizes Ventura's guts in coming forward. Dawn had the option of submitting as Jane Doe, but she bravely chose to file under her real name. "We will not rest until Dawn receives full and complete justice in this case," Richard's attorney said in a statement.